Admit it, there's no protein like beef. Beef sliders are amazing. They're juicy, cheesy, and you can serve them with any of your favorite sides. Hey guys, Natalia here with Mom's Dish. Today we partnered with Beef It's What's for Dinner on behalf of Beef Checkoff to bring you the sliders for your next tailgating party. It's gonna be a hit. Here are the ingredients we'll need for the recipe. We have slider buns. They're smaller than your typical buns, but they're perfect because we're making those tiny little burgers. And then we have lean beef, which is 96%, but you do want to go 93 or higher in leanness. And then we have some cheddar cheese, and then Worcestershire sauce and salt and pepper, just a little bit of that. First, we want to combine all the seasoning together with beef, and then we'll form little patties. So I'll go ahead and place this beef into a bowl. There you go. And then the sauce. And we're gonna go ahead and season with salt, just slightly because the sauce already has some seasoning. And then a little bit of pepper. I will just go ahead and combine the ingredients together just to give the sauce and the beef mixture. That way it's evenly seasoned, but you don't want to overmix it as well. We are using 1 pound of beef, so we are gonna use an ice cream scoop to divide it into perfectly equal pieces. If you have a scale at home, you can use that as well. So this makes 8 sliders, and if you are serving a larger crowd, double it up or triple the recipe because they are delicious and they go really quick. To make your shaping of the sliders much easier, you can get a biscuit cutter if you have this on hand. So basically just take this, put one of the meat pieces in here, and just press it down along all the edges to make sure it's evenly spread out. So 1/2 inch is what you're looking for, perfectly shaped. Just flatten it out just a little bit more along the edges. Another way, I think everybody has a basic lid at home. Now we'll place beef on the inside and just flatten it out just like so. Once all the edges are filled in like this, to take it out, you basically just flip it over and remove the lid from it. There you go. Perfectly done. Now we'll work on the next one. This will probably just take you minutes to do, just a few minutes, not too long. Okay, our last one. Now that the sliders are ready, you can pop them in the fridge and actually leave them until you're ready to grill them. But we're ready to grill, so we're gonna use our indoor grill. You can use charcoal grill or whatever you have on hand. They take about 10 minutes to be all completely done. And the internal temperature just has to be 160 degrees, which cooks pretty quickly, about 10 minutes. That's perfect. Has to be at 160. And towards the last few minutes of the grilling time, you want to add some cheese on top. Here are the sliders. As you can see, this is so easy to make them at home, and now we're gonna enjoy some. We have some pickles, some pickled onions, and pepperoncinis. It's loaded with protein. I hope you guys love this recipe, and we'll see you next time. And to my YouTube friends, we have linked everything down below for you to make it easier. Hit the bell button because we'll see you again next time.